Dr. Riek Machar's legal battle against the government has drawn unprecedented global attention, with a powerful team of 107 defense lawyers now stepping forward to represent him. According to credible sources, this diverse group of legal experts has come together from different parts of the world, reflecting the high-profile nature of the case and its implication for peace, justice, and stability in South Sudan. Let's break it down. United Kingdom, a remarkable of 46 barristers and lawyers from the UK are pledged to defend Dr. Riek Machar pro bono, underscoring the case's international importance. In Norway, 24 defense lawyers have joined, backed financially by international human rights organizations committed to ensuring justice and fairness. In the United States of America, 9 volunteer defense lawyers from the US have flown in, reinforcing the growing global legal solidarity. Germany, the German government itself is sponsoring 11 lawyers, a move highlighting Berlin's interest in human rights and fair trial in Africa. Number 5. East Africa, a strong team of 10 lawyers from Tanzania, Rwanda, Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia is participating at their own expense, showcasing regional solidarity. Number 6. South Sudan. Locally, 4 South Sudanese lawyers have joined the team with funding provided by Dr. Machar family. Number 7. West Africa, 2 self-sponsored lawyers from Ghana and Nigeria have come forward to show Pan-African support. Number 8. In Sudan, finally, 1 defense lawyer from Sudan has also joined, adding historical and regional weight to the team. This is one of the largest international defense coalition ever assembled for a political leader in Africa. The scale of support suggests that Dr. Riek Machar trial is not just a national issue. It is being closely watched as a test of justice, peace, and political fairness in South Sudan. Observers say that the outcome of this case could determine whether the fragile 2018 peace deal survives or collapses. Many fear that a biased judgment could reignite tension and possibly push the country back into conflict again. A supporter of Dr. Machar argued that the charges are politically motivated, aimed at silencing a key opposition figure. Critics insist that justice must be served regardless of political standing, but stress that the trial must be transparent, fair, and free from government influence. The massive legal team is expected to begin filing preliminary motion in the coming week. Court proceedings in Juba are already under heavy scrutiny from local and international observers. For now, one thing is clear: the trial is bigger than Dr. Machar himself. It is a test of South Sudan's ability to uphold the rule of law and sustain peace. The United Nations has called on South Sudanese authority to guarantee that legal proceedings are again suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other officials fully comply with international standards of fairness and transparency. The UN mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, issued a statement stressing the importance of upholding the rule of law and human rights, especially at a time when political tension and violence are on the rises. Machar faced serious charges linked to a March attack on a military base in Nasser, Afan State, where over 250 government soldiers were killed. Authorities alleged the attack was carried out by the Nuerwai Army militia, which they claim operate under Machar command. In response, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has suspended both Dr. Machar and Petroleum Minister Port Kang Shol pending trial. Beyond the courtroom, the UN also sounded alarm over South Sudan's deepening humanitarian crisis. Reports indicate that nearly 50% of the population now face severe food insecurity. Ongoing violence has triggered mass displacement across several regions. The UN urged leaders on all sides to prioritize peace and dialogue, warning that escalating political deadlock could undo years of fragile peace process. Why this matter? The International Defense Coalition showed global consent that the trial must be fair. The UN intervention signaled that the world is closely watching how South Sudan handle this political charges case. The outcome could determine whether the 2018 peace agreement survived or collapsed under the weight of mistrust and renewed conflict. Ray Wichaka South Sudan Chitkamada Shaling, a Chetogan Onene, Dr. Machar Chalado Wicha Tekane, at Shop Koru the Barrow to la defense lawyer, Nathan Conbushongaje, was and down and charge Yenton. A while at Kijen One to Koru the Barrow became a defend Ray Wichaka South Sudan, Kadobadan Chagwain Kaje. Dr. Machar Jen Charger Guanyan Ojen Chaduer one chocolate. Can do a corner chalat Chalado Jen. Ramkel mimo shinwari kinwari wa ami wajen chaka fan ke chaka makayo kangi kondi ala no me charge deny ne dial ke supporter Dr. Machar ke ne dial contemporary ka South Sudan and go chi talk and mandan lat ke Kiir yadit wajen bas ne chong Dr. Machar ka kuja mo antama right corner chateka ne to chop ko kori baraw ti lalo yeri ke ne tin kontin la chung ke ti la lok la ka loke chicken dial chicken ben ray which ka South Sudan ke chicken message chicken ga jagan o gor kono bikan Dr. Machar bikan a defend ke bu chong kel ka je chala do ne ray which ka South Sudan la United Kingdom take jayne ti chop ka jen wani bakel jayne ta to ke lawyer ne konen bi Dr. Machar bikan a defend chala for sick barrister and lawyer offering pro bono service awaken gor kono de kan Riek Machar de kan defend loraba ne jen wani bakel anyo ko norwe karwade tinne ti jen dang ro dum wan tigeten ti la defend lawyer ti lat ki jen wo bi ke Riek Machar bi kan defend ka United States America ke USA tinne ti chok bangwan ti rien volunteer bo ano bi kan Dr. Machar bi kan defend ka Germany te kan ne dang welkel ti la no ba bi ke Riek Machar bi kan defend ke South Africa karwade ano Tanzania Rwanda Kenya Ethiopia ke Somalia waken chigori alaka bo tika ne da shuko well ti ladan wo ken bika chong ken Dr. Machar kel rai wika South Sudan karwade tika ne dang wan ti chari aleka Dr. Machar and wo bika Dr. Machar bika na defend rai wika ka South Sudan ne dang wan ka West Africa no ka Ghana ken Nigeria tika ken ne dang ro ka Sudan te ramkel mo chela dan wo jaram dan bichong no ke be Dr. Machar be defend jo mishira na me e jo shalat no ere wiki United Nation ka jo dan shalat no chikala do ne gor ti kan kum South Sudan go ne de kan ta dan en lokering Machar ka je de kan jaka per ki de kan dalaka do mo go ko Dr. Machar e first by president no en wo ba lu ko do mo shajen awagwi ke jen wo be South Sudan be je lo kormidi dong da togba ameno da wo ka civil war chala do mishira no mo che chong aji UN mission Rewika South Sudan chikala ro nene kan go ne no ba rule of law ki ngotin kontin la human right la kalas kalat keje wa gur ge no ba ka use ko tere mbele to Rewika South Sudan ba no wa use ne ka do mi chodo lot ngai keje gwa no riek baro da lat Dr. Machar me yan keje ki krik me dan chi to Rewika Nasir ka panal wa se dan e chanei atishu ko kudang ro jandang die telan deni kume cha connectin shika deni kum ko din cha nako men wer wai amiba woni ka civilian children mothers kandial cha kanak akin mi yadit karenyal wade dan e to kortetin jerenyal che jaka wer ka shune to kontilan wer shu kanak re wichin bene mi che konti chite chana kanen ano mi chora lat kamishit kana mo tama chi selpa ke che chu respond and go chering Machar che yen ka ko kore chu je woj Dr. Machar kan wi karwar cha woj ba amen petroleum minister potkang chul kan dang ro cha woj tama lo te ram le la kwer tama re wich ka South Sudan jen kwela nen go nanga ka gwa loko ba ko luk ko ba ko yen ka der lat ken go chikan lat bala jen wo der ran chala de ken chi der tal der bi kan lat ji yu an kala de no ne mo wa lugo me wa lugo jeg nyu de jen wo bu ko ron ker to wan bu ren lat re wi ka South Sudan ka cha jogor ne me dara jo dan en gor no de yen nyak ke de nyak yekel re ler kan me bi jiram jidit kwasme gor no jin bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwan ko bilere kon lat ko gwasme bi kan chwa mala chukaji ka Changfied an biya ta kamal ajen jodan de ko linga jen gwasme bye bye